National Weather Service in Brownsville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Willacy County in deep South Texas until 9:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:56 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Port Mansfield, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles, including cracked windshields and minor exterior dents expected. Some damage to crops and trees is expected. Expect minor wind damage to mobile homes, some roofs, siding and some fences. Tree limbs will blow down and small trees will be uprooted. Damage to power lines and some power poles is expected. Locations impacted include Port Mansfield and Padre Island. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure. Stay away from windows. Here's a look at your 800